Hello, my name is Charles. I'm part of the sales team here at ThingTrax's, and the purpose of this video is to provide some kind of insight as to how our system is beneficial to the overall production process and manufacturing as a whole. Now, when it comes down to it, ThingTrax's is a manufacturing performance platform and can be split into three tiers of technology, these being data collection, real-time insight, and insight-driven action. The first tier, being data collection, is the process of collecting real-time data from the entire production capacity of your business, and we do that in three ways. We do it through IoT devices, where we capture data from your machines and then pass it through a gateway to the cloud. We do it through cameras in conjunction with artificial intelligence, and lastly, we do it through an observation app. We attach these IoT devices to each of your machines, and these devices create their own mesh network, so they can pass the data without the need for a Wi-Fi or a wired network throughout your factory. These all go through a single gateway connected to the internet. Vision is the use of cameras, and through this we can track manual assembly. And we can also do things for packing, where we can actually measure how many units are packed within whichever parameters you have set. This module is mainly focused on capturing manual aspects of production, whereas our IoT devices capture automated processes. In this packaging example, you can see that our system is tracking the time in which this packaging task takes to complete, and displays a counter for how many tasks are completed. From this, we provide a real-time calculation of cycle time. This next example shows how we monitor PPE compliance and identify any hazards that occur. Our observation app allows your workforce to simply carry out their roles better. Say if an operator is using a machine on the shop floor and it goes down, they can click add downtime and log the instance. This means that they can make sure in real time that they are quickly and easily entering data into the system to make sure all the data is accurate. Moving on to the second tier, which is real-time insight. On a functional level, we have applications for each function within a manufacturing plant. These are productivity, quality, maintenance, and sustainability. For production on the shop floor, we have an app that will give you everything you'll want to know about each machine. For instance, their OEE by each individual machine across the factory, and so on. You can track the reasons for quality defects and identify the root causes. This makes sure that corrective actions are put into place so that issues regarding quality don't occur, thus obviously ensuring customers receive products of the highest quality. The maintenance module analyzes the root cause identified and allows for accurate maintenance planning by providing preemptive recommendations for actions that need to take place. You can also benefit from sustainability measurement in regard to the utilization of energy, accidents, HR, and things of that nature. Moving on to the final tier, which is insight-driven action. Layered on top of our functional applications is managerial practice. Being able to use the data at hand to make significant change would benefit from cultural and behavioral change on a day-to-day basis. Our focal point for this is our daily meeting plan. Meetings are run on a daily basis in order to optimize the production of your factory. This will allow you to run your daily management meetings, looking at your KPIs and assigning tasks to your key members of staff, and monitoring the performance of those tasks to ensure you stay on track. From the Manage tab, you can view the status of current or planned actions and tasks, as well as evaluate their outcomes via the visual management dashboard. Moving on to sustain, this will give you the ability to monitor and check whether tasks or actions are completed, and lets you audit if things are actually completed. This establishes a standard in regard to the way the work is done. Lastly, we have Systemize, and this gives you the ability to capture standard operating procedures and provide situational e-learning and standard documentation so that everyone knows exactly how they should be doing things. Now, it's a common misconception that people think ThingTrax is an ERP, when in actual fact, we can operate independently to an ERP or in conjunction with an ERP. And we found that some of our clients have benefited from this because they've seen an increase of data quality. Now, some of the connected apps that we have and we are compatible with, as you can see, some of the popular ones, SAP, Microsoft Dynamics, and 300 more apps that we are currently compatible with. And this is a list that is ever growing. Here we have some of our partner solutions with the likes of Trebosonics, UTAC, Nectar, MSC, and UAttend to ensure that ThingTrax is operating at a standard that is of the highest quality. That pretty much sums up the rundown of what ThingTrax does. We are the only platform that combines full real-time capture of data across both machines and manual activities in a factory, with operator data entry, with all of the applications in terms of enabling all of the functions in your business, and a practice of enabling your organization from a managerial standpoint. All these things drive manufacturing performance improvement.